My name is Chris Conover with C&B Complete Cleaning and Construction. I'm the Director of Operations here. My father, Craig Conover, started the company in 1986. In 2016, about 30 years into his company, I wanted to join as a second generation and help expand and grow the company. In 2016, when I started with C&B, everything was paper and pencil, and I recall in 2017 getting a call from Next Gear and speaking to a sales representative about the program and how interesting and intriguing it was. And I always knew that that is where we wanted to be as a company, paperless, and everything was automated. It took a few years for us to get to that as a company, and in 2020, we made the switch over to Dash, and I mean, it's truly streamlined our business. We've gone from having to fill out checklists in the field by hand, vehicle checklist, weekly checklist, job checklist, whatever it may be, by hand collecting the paper, to now everything's on a tablet. All of our employees have tablets in the field, which is automatically generated to their computers in the office, and everything's streamlined. The workflows that we used to list on a Word document from top to bottom, from steps 1 to 30, is now automated in Dash. It triggers that next person in line, and everything's able to move a lot more smoothly. And like I said, the accountability is there for everybody, because if you don't do your step, then the 3 other people it triggers can't do theirs. Since 2020, joining the software, we've gone from about doing anywhere from 350 jobs to say 375 to last year doing over 600 jobs. It was always a dream of ours to move paperless. We still have a ways to go on certain stuff, but since joining Dash, I mean, it truly has propelled our company and into the direction that we want it to be. And we don't plan on stopping to grow, and we know that Dash can take us to as big as we want to be.